Welcome to our video, where we'll explore the differences between Flutter and React Native, two popular frameworks for building cross-platform mobile app. Choosing the right framework for your mobile app development can be a crucial decision. Let's dive into the comparison. First, let's talk about Flutter. Flutter is an open-source UI software development kit created by Google. It's known for its ability to deliver native performance and beautiful user interfaces. Here are some key points about Flutter. Flutter uses the Dart programming language, which has a strong focus on performance and productivity. It provides a rich set of customizable widgets, offering a consistent look and feel across platforms. The hot reload feature allows developers to see changes instantly, making development faster. Flutter has a growing and enthusiastic community, with plenty of packages and resources available. Now, let's turn our attention to React Native. React Native is an open-source framework developed by Facebook. It's known for its ability to build mobile apps using familiar web technologies. Here are some key points about React Native. React Native uses JavaScript and React, which many web developers are already familiar with. It offers a wide range of pre-built components and libraries, making it easy to create complex UIs. The fast refresh feature allows for quick iterations during development. React Native also has a large and active community, with a vast selection of third-party packages. Now, let's compare Flutter and React Native on several key aspects. Performance. Flutter is often praised for its native-like performance due to its compiled language, Dart. React Native is performant but may require native modules for more complex operations. UI/UX. Flutter offers a consistent and highly customizable UI with its widgets. React Native uses native components, which can sometimes lead to minor inconsistencies in UI. Development language. Flutter uses Dart, which may require developers to learn a new language. React Native uses JavaScript or TypeScript, which many developers are already familiar with. Community and ecosystem. Flutter's ecosystem is younger and growing rapidly. React ecosystem is already very. Development time. Flutter's hot reload speeds up development, while React Native's fast refresh offers similar benefits but may not be as instantaneous. Ultimately, the choice between Flutter and React Native depends on your project's specific requirements and your team's familiarity with the respective technologies. In conclusion, both Flutter and React Native are powerful tools for cross-platform mobile app development. Choose the one that aligns best with your project goals and team's expertise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!